Okay, let's do this real quick. So I got it rescaped. Obviously the right side is kind of the same. I just trimmed everything down, regrouped, reorganized stems a little bit. Goes from colorata to arcuata to aromatica minis, and then there's some Ludwigian narrowleaf, and then there's a couple of the one-offs that I collected. So left side, I just kind of reform it. I don't know how you say reform. I reformed, like new formation or whatever. I regrouped everything. Bacopa, Salzmani, the SP purple. I got some of those in there. And then right here, the immersed crypts that my local fish store had, they gave me. Because I give them plants all the time. Sometimes they'll trade me something back. I put Rotala green here, colorata here. I got a small little bush of pearlweed, and I don't know what to do with it because it gets super out of control in a situation like this. So I just stuffed it in the corner for now. A couple of walichis someone gave me, I just put them here to start growing out. Spiralis tiger to match the one here. So this is the layout. Some things are just kind of plugged, just sort of stuffed. But this is it. This is what it looks like. Probably can't hear anything I'm saying because of the AC. I forgot about that. Anyways. So yeah. And that's about it.